Air ducts are used to provide ventilation by transporting the air from the outside environment into an enclosed area like the room that I'm standing in now. However, air duct interiors are difficult to clean and maintain as they are hard to access and require manual labor. When they are not cleaned regularly, the air quality worsens and the health of those in that area can be negatively affected. So, the team designed two robots, Octo Spinboard and Hedgehog Cleaner. So this robot can fit an air duct of diameter 10 cm, and this was the focus diameter for this project. Both robots are equipped with cleaning brushes at the front and two cameras which face the front and rear of the robot. Using wireless remote control, the operator can move the robots within the air duct with live footage of the air duct interior shown on the monitor. The brushes agitate dust inside the air duct, allowing the operators to remove the loose dust with their vacuuming equipment after. The robots come in a kit which consists of two cases. The smaller one contains the robots and the controller with a monitor attached. The larger case holds the enclosure box, cable reel, and extension cord. The enclosure box we designed contains the transformer and robot circuit boards. Overall, our team really learned a lot, from mechanical designing and fabrication to designing electrical circuit boards for our robots and even programming for robot movement. Our team really felt very fulfilled and accomplished for completing this project.